Welcome back to step 8 out of the in total 9 steps of our TPbenchmark solution regarding the results. This page provides us with a summary overview of the return on sales calculations for the interquartile range, as well as the minimum and maximum values for the weighted average of the 3 years, as well as for each year included into the calculation. It also shows the number of companies included in the accepted set. On the bottom of the page there is a detailed overview, again providing us with the interquartile range, but which can be adjusted on a real-time basis to check the impact of the results of including or excluding one or more companies into the accepted set. There is also an export results button in which we can export the benchmark results and upload them into our documentation solution for efficiency gains, but otherwise we can press next and go to the next step.